shades, there is an instruction at the back.
A yellow. Red box. Mix it.
Mix it. And then last one is
Blue.
very good. The first one, we are using a crayon to draw a design. Okay, put it gently. Okay, let's wait maybe 2 minutes.
No, we got it done.
Oh, not yet done. Okay. This is the result after 2 minutes. Next is the rubber band. Okay. So we're gonna make a ring. Like this.
No, dirty me. Me.
Do.
Okay, go.
Careful. Mama is being careful. Yeah. So what color do you want for this one? Blue? Okay. The foil and the egg. Yeah, you have to wrap the egg with the foil. Make sure that all parts of the egg is covered. You have to do like this. Massage gently. Massage, okay, can you do it? Massage. Massage. Okay, what color do you want for that?
Yellow.
Yellow, okay. Ooh, wow.
Let's start it.
Josh is so excited.
Funny?
Or funny. Let's wait for 2 to 3 minutes. Oops, where are you going? Ah, got you. Yeah, let's check this one.
Yellow again.
It's yellow? Okay,
Yeah.
you have to dry it. Wow.
Amazing.
The next is wet wipes and rubber band.
Don't drop it. Drop it.
No, put it there. So what's the color?
Red, green, red, blue.
Yay!
Yellow.
Okay, we have to dry that one.
Amazing.
Next is use a tape.
Okay, boo.
Yeah, Mama is being careful. And a pattern like this. last one is the sticker. We have bird and a heart. Okay. There's a heart.
This is a bird.
And a bird.